when you want to soak oasis, make sure you have a full bucket of water, and then it's quite big, bigger than the one piece of oasis. Okay, and once you have the water in the bucket, and then you place the oasis gently into the water, but don't press it. Don't press the oasis, okay? Because it will naturally sink and then soak the water, okay? Okay, now it's perfectly fit. Okay, and then now you probably want to cut a little angle on the oasis because you want to have more surface to put in the flowers. The good thing is we do Crescent, right? So basically Crescent is more like a two-side design, not like a round design. So basically it's linear on one side and longer on the other. So naturally you don't have oasis here. So you probably want to place your Crescent this way, right? So you got more oasis to work with. So, because if the oasis is not fully soaked, that the oasis will actually absorb the water from your flower.
Oh, okay.
So that's not a good thing. Okay, that's another one.
Wow, look at the color. It's so autumny.
I know, it's very pretty.
That's why today I said, okay, I want to wear some autumny.
Yeah, I know. Very go with your outfit very well. Okay, so yes. Okay, so first of all, if you want to,
it's very pretty.
Very pretty. If you want to work with the water and not oasis, right? Okay, so first of all, you put some water in the container, okay, but not too full, maybe like a quarter or a half, okay, and then you make sure everything closer to the opening, it's perfectly dry. Why? Because once we want to apply the tape over the top, right? And then if the surface is wet or dusty, the tape won't last.
Where can I get those tape? I want to get some.